The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information call 417-335-3109. Luxury living in a quiet complex right on the water. Spectacular views of the Osage out your living room, porch and master bedroom. Easy one-level living with open floor plan. Master bath with jetted tub, walk-in shower and double vanity. Low-rise steps or elevator access to your unit. Enjoy entertaining on the screened-in porch. Perfect for the weekend getaway or full-time living.